If you wanna know how to make extremely easy and cheap environment for acetone vaporing and do it by yourself, or you wanna see what will happen with the 3D printed part when you are doing this too long, this video will answer all for those questions, so stay tuned. I 3D printed out 5 benchy boats for testing. Meanwhile they are printing, we can build the environment where we do the acetone vaporing. Actually this is pretty simple. You just need one box. It can be bigger than this one what I am using or smaller. It depends, do you wanna do smaller objects or bigger, because when you have bigger environment you need a more acetone. And second, you need small fan. It's not have to be big because we don't want a tornado happening inside the box, we just want slightly air moving around. And obviously you need 9-volt battery and 9-volt battery connection. First step is to connect fan plus and minus to the 9-volt battery connection. This yellow wire what I got away is signal wire and we don't need this today. Find nice place to the fan and drill one small hole for the wires. Use some glue, recommended hot glue because this is so easy to use, and glue fan to the place. Also fill up the hole what you just drilled for the wires. When the wires are pushed through, of course. And also the other side. Now it's time to connect fan wires to the 9-volt battery connection. You can solder, but I am lazy, I am just twist them together with my fingers and use some heat shrink. And I use one piece of double-sided tape to connect 9-volt battery to the lead. I do this because it will be more comfortable to work on with this box later on. And small test, let's connect the battery. And the airflow is decent, totally enough for this small box. Actually this is exactly same fan what is used in my 3D printers. Now we need one small container where we put the acetone in, but we have to make sure that this plastic will not react with the acetone, for obvious reasons.
20 minutes later.
And this one small box is totally fine, so we can use this. And the benchy boats are getting ready, so really soon we can start the testing. But if you are made in this video so far, maybe you wanna hit the subscribe button, leave the like for this video and turn the notification bell on. This will be huge support for me. So thank you a lot. But now back to the video. Those benchy boats came out pretty good, so we finally can start the testing. And I'm not doing them all in same time. First batch is 15 minutes, 30 minutes and 1 hour. And by the way, one side note. If you take them out, we have to let them dry, because this is one part of the process. And now only thing to do is wait 15 minutes, 30 minutes and 1 hour. And all 3 are ready, but let's look everyone a bit more closely. Well, the 15-minute one, there really nothing happened. Compare this to the benchy boat what have not been in acetone vaporing, we see the lines are pretty much same, but only difference here is that 15-minute one have a bit more shine. So the 15-minute is too less in acetone vapor. But next one, half hour. Well, actually pretty much same story with the 15-minute one. But when you look really closely, you see that the lines are like trying to go smooth. They are not smooth and they are totally visible, but they are like the process have just started and just want a little bit more time. And actually we have one what had this a little bit more time. This is 1 hour one. Well, this one is perfect. This is exactly what you are looking for when you are doing acetone smoothing. All the lines what is designed there, like the roof line and the side lines, they are sharp and visible. But all the layer lines, they are totally gone and this is smooth as f. And if you put this next to the without acetone vapored, well, the result is even more huge. But we have more 2 benchy boats. One for 2 hours and one for 4 hours. Actually, I cannot wait to see what result will be there. Well, the dew hour one was extremely soft, so I was really careful when I was removing this. But the last boat have to be there more dew hours. So good luck for you. By the way, those shots what you see right now, even the 15 minute, 30 minute and 1 hour one, they all had dried 24 hours. I didn't record them immediately after coming out of acetone vaporing. But the dew hour one, well, obviously this is well done. The lines and sharp edges are gone and everywhere are small bubbles. So dew hour is too much. But if dew hour is too much, what happened with 4 hour one? Well, for this one, there is not small bubbles, there are pretty big bubbles. And the lines and everything is, well, and also look the wheel inside. And by the way, remember, this have dried 24 hours. And look this. It's still extremely soft. Well, you should not push the knife through the ABS plastic so easily. If you don't believe me, well, here is the proof. Actually, I think this demonstration is not really needed. And I ran the same test to the dew hour one also. Well, this one was also soft, but well, not so much. And I was thinking about the future comments, so I did the test also for 1 hour one. But this is hard. And because this one is hard, there is no point to do the test for 15-minute one or the 30-minute one. So if you are planning to do acetone vaporing by yourself, I hope this video was helpful for you or at least interesting to watch. Now you should know how to make acetone vaporing environment by yourself and what to expect. If you are still here, I like to thank you, because I am really near to 1000 subscribers and I hope you are one of them. But if you are not, this will be huge support for me when you hit the subscribe and like button and maybe even share this video with your friends. But this is it for this video. So thank you for watching again and see you soon. Bye.